In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign an admin role in Google Workspace. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, understanding how to assign these roles is crucial for efficient administration and security. Google Workspace provides a centralized platform to help manage various users, and assigning roles is a key function within this ecosystem. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, making sure that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in your ability to carry it out. First, let's begin by logging into your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is navigating to the Account section. This is the foundational step, as accessing the account settings provides you with the necessary tools to manage different user roles. So go ahead and click on Account. Now that you're in the Account section, you'll see several administrative options, but the one we're focused on today is titled Admin Roles. Go ahead and click on Admin Roles. This area is where you'll be able to manage and assign different administrative roles to users within your organization. It's designed to help streamline the process of delegating responsibilities, ensuring that the right people have access to the right tools and information. You'll notice a list of existing roles and users associated with them. Here's where the magic happens, and it's simpler than you might think. Look for the word Actions on your screen. It's typically located in a drop-down menu or maybe accompanied by a drop-down arrow. This is your next point of interaction. Clicking on Actions reveals a series of options you can take with user roles. What you need to do now is click on that drop-down menu and select the option to change a user's role to an admin. This action is pivotal as it officially grants a user the permissions and responsibilities of an admin within your Google Workspace. Once selected, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This confirmation step ensures that any changes made are intentional and considered. Just like that, you've managed to assign an admin role within Google Workspace. Remember, assigning admin roles should be reserved for users who require comprehensive access to manage and oversee different sections of your organization's Google Workspace environment. With great power comes great responsibility. Now you're all set to ensure your team operates with the appropriate administration configurational tools. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit any parts if needed, and don't hesitate to explore other features within Google Workspace to further enhance your administrative tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing!